Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe. In today's episode of Let's Revise 2 marks question, we are going to discuss few more questions on the complete syllabus, and this is the part 4. Friends, your likes, your dislikes and comments are assets to us. So before leaving the video, please register your views through likes, dislikes and comments. So let us see the first question on the series Let Us Revise. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of getting the sum of the 2 numbers on the dice as greater than 6 but less than 9. Friends, here the 2 dice are thrown simultaneously and we have to find the probability of getting the sum of 2 numbers on the dice as greater than 6 but less than 9. Since the 2 dice are thrown, the total number of outcomes, that will be equal to 6 into 6, and that is equal to 36. And the favorable outcomes that will be equal to, favorable outcomes will be what? Whose sum, the numbers whose sum will be greater than 6 and less than 9. It means whose sum will be 7, 8, these 2 numbers. And so favorable will be 6 and 1. Second, the another favorable will be 5 and 2. The next favorable will be 4 and 3. The next favorable will be 3 and 4. The next favorable pair will be 2 and 5. The next favorable number will be 1 and 6. And next favorable will be 6 and 2. The next will be 5 and 3, and the next favorable number will be 4 and 4. The next pair will be 3 and 5, and the next favorable, that is 2 and 6, and next favorable will not be there. All these will be there. These are the favorable outcomes whose sum will be 7 and the 8. So total will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So favorable outcomes are 11. And therefore the probability of getting this favorable outcome will be what? It will be 11, means favorable outcome divided by the total number of outcomes, that is 36. And so the probability of A, that is equal to 11 by 36. Now move to the another question. In the given figure, DE is parallel to OQ. This DE is parallel to OQ, and DF parallel to OR. This DF is parallel to OR. Show that EF is parallel to QR. So this EF is parallel to QR, that we have to prove. So friends, it is given that this DE and OQ are parallel, DF and OR are parallel, and we have to show EF and QR are also parallel. So here in this triangle POQ, DE parallel to OQ, and therefore PD upon DO, that is equal to PE upon EQ, Similarly, in triangle POR, in this triangle, we see that DF is parallel to OR, that is given, and therefore PD upon DO, that is equal to PF upon FR, and the reason to both of this will be basic proportionality theorem. And here from 1 and 2, this is PD upon DO is equal to this, and PD upon DO is equal to this, and therefore this 2 should also be equal, and therefore this is PE upon EQ, PE upon EQ, that is equal to, this is PF upon FR, PF upon FR. And since this PE upon EQ and PF upon FR, these ratios are equal, therefore by converse of basic proportionality theorem, EF is parallel to QR, and therefore EF is parallel to QR by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Friends, now let us move to the next question. So friends, here is the next question. In the figure, AB is a diameter of a circle with center O and AT is a tangent. If angle AOQ is 58 degree, find the angle ATQ. Friends, here it is given that in a circle, this BA is a diameter, with center O is the center of the circle, and it is given that AT is a tangent, this AT is a tangent to the circle at point A, and if angle AOQ, this angle is given as 58 degree, and we have to find the angle ATQ. This angle we have to find. Now friends, this can be solved easily. We know that this arc AQ subtends an angle at the center is 58, and we know that the angle subtended at the center by the arc AQ is double than the angle subtended by it on the circle. So here this ABQ will be half of this AOQ, so this will be half, so 58 and its half, that will be equal to 29. So this angle will be of 29 degree. Now in this triangle ATB, angle A plus angle A plus angle B plus angle T, the sum of the three angles is 180 degree, and therefore the sum is 180 degree. In that triangle this is 90 degree because the radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So this angle is 90 degree. So 90 degree plus this 29 degree plus angle T, which is equal to 180 degree. So 90 plus 29, that will be 119. If you take it to this side, it will be minus 119. So angle T, that will be equal to 180 minus 119, and that is equal to 61 degree, and therefore this angle is equal to 61 degrees. So friends, this way you can solve this question. Now move to the next one. So here in an AP, the sum of the first n terms is 3n square by 2 plus 13n by 2. Find the 25th term. So friends, here sum of the first n terms is given to you. So first we can find S1, sum of the first term, that will be 3 into 1 square will be 1 upon 2 plus 13 into 1, that is 13 upon 2. So that is 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 13, that will be 16, and 16 upon 2, and therefore S1 is equal to 2 8s are 16, so it will be S8. So the sum of the first term is 8. Sum of the first term is 8. It means A1 is also 8. A1 is also 8. The first term is 8. Now we will find the second term, sum of the second term. So sum of the second term, that n will be 2. So it will be 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12, 12 upon 2 plus 13 2s are 26, 26 upon 2. So this will be 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 6 plus 13, that is equal to 19. And the sum of the first two terms is 19, but the first term is 18, and therefore the second term will be what? 19 minus 8. So second term, that will be equal to 11. Similarly, we will find the third term, sum of the three terms. So 3 square will be 9, 9 3s are 27, so it will be 27 upon 2, plus this will be 13 3s are, n we are putting as 3, so 13 3s are 39, so it will be 39 upon 2, and that is equal to, so it is 66 upon 2, so 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, so S3 is equal to 33. So the sum of the first three numbers is 33. This is the sum of the first two terms is 19, and therefore third term will be what? 33 minus 19, and 33 minus 19, that is equal to 14. So A3 is equal to 14, and therefore first term is 8, second term is 11, third term is 14. So here the common difference that D will be equal to what? Second term minus first term, that is 3. So you have got the common difference, you have got the first term, and you have to find the 25th term. So 25th terms means n is equal to 25, and so you can find A25, that is equal to A plus 24D. Correct? So which is equal to A is 8 plus 24 into D is 3. So which is equal to 8 plus 24 into 3, 4 3s are 12, carry on 1, 3 2s are 6, and 1 72, and 72 plus 8, that will be equal to 80, and therefore the 25th term is 80. So friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.